இருட்டினிலே நீ நடக்கையிலே உன்னிழலும் உன்னை விட்டு விலகிவிடும். நீ மட்டும் தான் இந்த உலகத்திலே உனக்கு துணை என்று விளங்கிவிடும்.
வணக்கம். Right. In this class, we are going to discuss about the IUPAC nomenclature. So how we have to name the coordination compounds, right? So there are set of rules. Okay, I have framed all the rules in simple ways. Okay, first one, name the cation first. First you have to name the cation. Positive ion ku first pair vekkano. Example, look here. What is the positive ion here? Potassium. So name it as potassium. So no need to mention how many potassiums are there, those things. So only keep it in mind. Ligand ku mattum only for ligands only you have to mention how many ligands are there. Okay, and you know there is no need to mention how many positive ions or how many central atoms, those things you don't need. Okay, so potassium here come. So this is the cation. When coming for the square bracket, name the ligands first. Ligands must be named first, right? If more ligands are present, here all the ligands are of same type. If different types of ligands are present, name them based upon the alphabetical order. So first name the ligands and then name the metal with its charge, with its oxidation state. So see here 6 amine are present, right? So the name is hexaamine. Then metal cobalt along with its oxidation state. Consider the oxidation state x plus 6 into 0 plus 3 into minus 1 equal to 0. It means x equal to plus 3. The charge of cobalt is plus 3 here. It must be written in Roman numeral within a parenthesis. Okay. So the name is hexamine cobalt 3. We have named the cation. Right. Here. Come for the positive ion. Here it is the positive ion. Right. Thambi kammun irunna solranla. So we have named the cations in these two complexes. Come here. This is the cation, right? Okay. That point is here. Okay, I will mention it later. Right. So if the square bracket is having a negative charge, that is, if it is an anionic complex, the metal should be written as metallate. The metal should be written as metallate. See here. Here it is an anionic complex, right? So we have written the cation. Then coming for the square bracket means ligand first. So here it is. What is the ligand? Cyanido. So hexacyanido. Right? What is the metal ion? Ferrate. After writing the metal ion, you have to mention the charge. Okay. Here consider it as x and do some calculations. You will get the value as 2. So the complex is potassium hexacyanido ferrate 2. Here you have to mention a thing. I'll tell you later. Right? Grab. Listen. Okay. So first name the cation. Right. If the cation is square bracket, name the ligand first and then the metal atom with the oxidation state. If the square bracket is having a negative charge, name the metal as metallate, ferrate. Right. Here we have named the cation. So the anion is chloride. Simple. So we have given the names for these two complexes. Right. Look at this point. If an ambidengate ligand is present, what is an ambidengate ligand? Look here. In cyanide, both carbon can act as donor atom to metal and nitrogen also can act as a donor atom. So these type of ligands are called as ambidengate ligands. When such ligands are present, you have to mention what is the donor. Here in cyanido, the carbon is the donor. So you have to put a hyphen and mention it as with capital C. Right? So you have to put a hyphen and mention the donor atom. Right? Come here. So it is the cation. Right? In this cation, it is ethylene diamine. The ligand itself, it has already diamine. So bi, di, tri and so on, such type of species name is, if it is already present in the ligand, you have to name them as bis. If it is 2 ligands present, tris if there are 3 ligands present, and tetrakis if there are 4 ligands present. So see here 2 ligands are present. So we have to write bis. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? It should be enclosed in a bracket. Ethane 1,2 diamine. Here it is a single M because it is an organic amine. So this ethane 1,2 diamine. What is the metal ion here? It is cobalt. It is cobalt. Show it as X and find the value. It will be +3 oxidation state. So this ethane 1,2 diamine cobalt 3. What is the negative ion? Positive ion, we have written the name of positive ion. The negative ion is sulfate. The negative ion is sulfate. This is the IUPAC name of this compound. Right? Okay, come here. So it is the cation. Here amine is one ligand and aqua is another ligand. So alphabetical order comes for amine. So triamine, triamine, triaqua, chromium. Why it is mentioned as chromium, not chromate? Because the charge here is positive, sir. 3 minus ions are outside. So the charge is positive. If it is positive, the metal is named as such. If it is negative only, we have to name the metal as metallate. So chromium, if we find out the charge, it will be 3. So chromium 3 chloride. So this is the way by which we have to name the coordination compound. Right. Look here. So not only you must name the coordination compound from the formula, right? From the name you should be familiar to write the name of the compound. Sorry, to write the formula of the compound. Clear? Right. So for a simple example, look here. Triamine. It implies that 3 ammonia species are there. Triaqua. 3 water molecules are there. Chromium. It is the metal ion. Its charge is 3. Its charge is 3. Outside chloride. So how many chloride? Listen here. So the charge of chromium is 3 plus the charge of ammonia is 0, neutral, plus the charge of water is also neutral. So the answer is 3. By adding all these things, we will get 3 plus charge here. So we have to put 3 chloride ions outside in order to balance the charge. Okay, well? So by the formula, you will be very familiar to write the IUPAC name, and also from the IUPAC name, you should be very much familiar to write the formula of the compound also. Clear? Thank you.